Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, and here tap to OK on the left down corner, and you will see here the information about the temperature health of our battery, and in our case that's good. And here also you can find a lot of other information like the battery health level, capacity, temperature, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.